So, let's make some food. So, what are we gonna eat? We're gonna eat mackerel and we're gonna boil 6 eggs. Cushion for my 𝐁𝐈𝐊𝐿𝐿𝐵. Maybe 2 mackerels.
Okay, bring it down, yeah, we'll come back out.
Get the cool shoe shine. Get the cool shoe shine. Get the cool shoe shine. Get the cool shoe shine.
Hi, do you speak any English?
A little bit, yes.
I'm going to 𝘬𝘪𝘭𝘮𝘵. Can I take this road?
No.
I have no microphone on, that's why the audio is so bad. You see what it looks like? Do you see? With those tires and this bike, 50 kilos of stuff on it, and you're going in this. I've been doing it for 15 minutes now. I have like 2 deciliters of water left. I'm going that way. I'm so f***ing done. Wait a minute. Is that a road over there? Holy shit, yeah. Holy shit. Otherwise I would have gone on for forever. This is the garden of the person I am staying with, and it's illegal. It was an overgrown place which they just took, and they're taking care of it, sort of. They built their own house. So this is the bathroom. Looks like this. Awesome. It's all mirrors, and they have a portable shower, so they just warm up the water and then they can shower on this. They have 2 dogs who are very friendly. Hey, 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 buddy.
Going that way. No, I am not. It is cozy to go on the sand, but when it rains, Marcus is not happy. But today I am happy anyway. Flickan i Havanna Hon har inga pengar kvar, sitter i ett fönster, vinkar åt en kar. Hej du glade sjömatros, du ska få min röda ros. Jag är vacker, du är ung, sjung mitt hjärta sjung.
Feel it blowing the breeze. I'ma take you to a place that you'll never believe. Ride on the wind, disappear in the sky. Never ask why, spread wings and fly. Sunbathed in the sun rays and dream. Listening to Dave play and Stevie sing. I know that you'll never be the same again.
These are my friends for the evening. Say hello. What do you say in Persian?
Och då nush.
Noosh? Noosh? Noosh.